Want this? Hi guys, I hope you are all fine. Today is my video on aggressive shake. This is a simple video. Okay guys, don't waste time. Follow my steps. Firstly, go to animation. Select rock vertical. Now go to combo. Select bounce 1. Now do this every same part. Now go to vedio effects. Upper effects for color grading, which I see you next video. Select Shake 3. Adjust in the start in split part. Now copying this effect and apply split part in the start. Now done. I hope this is good guide for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.